Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have such a cool video for you guys. It's gonna be slime, and I love slime. It's just so cool, so satisfying, and I'm pretty sure everyone on the internet loves it too. I did 2 other slime videos. Make sure to go check those out. I think I did an edible slime video and a fluffy slime video. Today I'm gonna make a huge batch of glitter fluffy slime with no borax. It's gonna be so crazy, and I love slime and glitter, and together they are a glitter slime. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Turn on the notifications so you'll never miss a video that I... Let's go! The ingredients you are going to need are some PVA glue, and this is just white glue, craft glue. It's pretty easy to find. I know it can get a bit pricey, but if you just get like a small bottle, it's not that bad. Also gonna need some shaving cream. This is optional, but I like to use it because it just makes it so fluffy and so big and so nice. It's just so satisfying if you add this. You're gonna need some food dye or paint. I'm just gonna use some glittery paint because of course I'm gonna make a glittery batch, and I don't think you can get glittery food dye. I could just add regular glitter, but I couldn't find it, so glitter paint it is. You're also gonna need a activator, and I'm just gonna use this. This is some Opti-Trax contact lens solution, baby. Eye wash. I'm not really sure, but you have to make sure that it contains boric acid because that's basically like a substitute for borax. I'm not really sure. I'm not like it. Also gonna need some mixing bowls and utensils. So I have a huge bowl here and a mixing utensil. You can use whatever mixing utensil you want. You don't even need one if you want to get messy. You can just go in with your hands, but I'm gonna play it safe and just use a mixing utensil. As much as you want, as little as you want. Just kind of do as much as you want, and I'm gonna make a pretty big batch, but I don't want to make it too big. After you've gone and done that, I have my PVA glue in, and I'm just gonna go in with my shaving cream, and you want to give it a good shake. And I'm using Gillette because I love Gillette. And you want to give it a good stir. Now you want to mix it in really well and make sure that you get all of that glue in with the shaving cream. And yeah, pretty much it. You can go in with your hands at this stage, but of course I'm just going to play it safe. Like I said, is optional. This is going to be your food dye or paint. So I'm just going to add, this is depending on how dark you want your color to be or how light really. So I just added a bit of that, and now I'm going to give it a good mix in because the shaving cream kind of like overpowers the color a bit, so you want to add a decent amount. I've done that, and you want to have the color that you want. I went for like a pretty rosy pink slime, and I love this color. The next step you're going to do is the activator, and this is contact lens solution with boric acid. Make sure it contains boric acid, otherwise pretty sure it won't work. So you want to slowly add that. You want to do it really gradually because if you add it too quickly, then the slime will not work and it will just become dry and horrible. The slime is now done, and I'm so excited because like slime is just so cool, and it's turned out a really nice cotton candy pink, and I absolutely love it. If you added too much activator, you can go in with some lotion, soften it up, or some glue, or stuff like that. If you added too much glue, go in with some shaving cream. So yeah, and it didn't make it that glittery, but I can definitely still see some glitter in it. However, it did make it such a pretty color, and it's so cool. So here is the slime. It's so clicky. And yeah, I absolutely love it. This is like the slime. This is just the right amount for me. I don't like my slime too small, too big. Because if it's too big, it's kind of hard to play with in a way, to kind of tackle. I'm not really sure. But if it's like this much, it's a little unsatisfying. And if you guys do still have a little bit on your hands, what you have to do is just take off a small bit of slime and just put it on that bit where it comes, and it just kind of sticks to that bit of slime and it comes straight off, which is personally so cool. So I love this slime. It kind of reminds me of cotton candy and I really want to eat it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. This slime is so cool. As I said before, it just reminds me of cotton candy. If your slime is still a little sticky, then you could just go in with some shaving cream and this kind of thickens up the mixture a bit and makes it so nice and just like a cloud in a way. I don't know, but it comes off perfectly. And there will be a bit of shaving cream on your hands. Once that's all muted in, it will be like a dream come true slime. As I said before, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below what other slimes you want me to do. I love slime. It's just so cool. Like, it's just so cool and satisfying. And I can do like a million different types of slime. Crunchy slime, butter slime, fluffy slime. Well, I already have. Like literally clear slime. Clear slime is so cool. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, or if this is like the middle of the night for you, then have a good next day. Bye!